Hello and welcome to our idiom in a minute. This is Hanaa Said. Let's get started. Today we are gonna talk about this idiom. You can use it daily. Zip your mouth or zip your lip. What does it mean? Be quiet or shut your mouth. For example, my mom told me to zip my lips when I kept asking her to buy me a new toy at the toy store. Quiz time. A. But mom, I don't wanna go. B. Space. Tom, you're going to math camp and that's final. Your answer is brilliant. Zip your mouth. Let's recap. Zip your mouth means keep your mouth shut. Don't say anything, usually because it's a secret. Wish you all the best.